Understanding the phrase, a legal eagle, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, a legal eagle. This phrase is not just two random words put together. It has a specific meaning and use in English. Let's explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. A legal eagle refers to someone who is particularly skilled in the field of law. This term is often used to describe lawyers or legal professionals who are very good at their job. They are known for their sharp legal acumen, much like an eagle is known for its sharp eyesight. The phrase, a legal eagle, combines the word legal, which relates to law, and eagle, a bird known for its keen sight and powerful flight. The term eagle here is a metaphor for someone with sharp, discerning qualities. This phrase is believed to have originated in the United States and is commonly used in English-speaking countries. 1. In a sentence, our attorney is a real legal eagle. She won every case she took on last year. 2. In a workplace, we need to hire a legal eagle to navigate these complex contract negotiations. 3. In popular culture, the character in the movie was a legal eagle who could outsmart any opponent in court. Don't use a legal eagle for someone who just knows a little about law. It's meant for experts. Remember, it's a positive expression and should not be used in a negative or sarcastic way. Avoid confusing it with literal meanings related to eagles or legal documents. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, a legal eagle. We hope this video has enlightened you on this interesting phrase and how you can use it confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be flying high in your English language journey, just like a legal eagle in the courtroom. See you in our next video.